What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and I'm not sure if you guys know who Donna Adelson is, but she is a woman that is accused of orchestrating an M for hire plot against her son-in-law, and she is a very interesting character. I think this is going to be a very interesting case. So don't worry if you haven't heard of her and you don't know much about her case. I will be looking back at some of the events that led up to this moment. There's a lot of moving pieces to it. Like, 4 people have already been convicted in this unaliving, including her son. But we will take a look back at all of that leading up to the trial. But for now, let's get into this recent article written by WCTV in Tallahassee, Florida. Donna Adelson appeared in what was expected to be her final court hearing Friday until jury selection begins in her M trial later this month. During the Friday court hearing, Donna Adelson's lawyers announced that Donna Adelson will testify to her fear of the Latin Kings, a gang that convicted hitman Rivera was a member of. The South Florida mother is accused of playing a role in the 2014 M for hire of her former son-in-law and Florida State University law professor Dan Markle. 4 others, including her son, Charlie Adelson, convicted hitman Sigfredo Garcia, and Luis Rivera, as well as go-between Catherine Magbanu, are currently serving prison sentences in relation to Markle's unaliving. Her expected testimony comes after her lawyers previously argued that they should be allowed to introduce evidence regarding Rivera being a member of the Latin Kings and that the defense shouldn't be limited to general evidence that he was in a gang. Judge Everett ruled that the defense could ask a special agent who ran an undercover operation if he was play acting as a Latin King or as a garden variety gang member. He also said if a state witness brought up the Latin Kings on their own, the horse would be out of the barn and the defense could question the witness on that issue. Leon County Circuit Judge Stephen Everett, who's overseeing the M trial, also indicated during the hearing that possibly 300 prospective jurors are expected to be called upon. Donna Adelson's court appearance Friday comes less than 2 weeks before her M trial is expected to begin on August 19th, which could last through the week of September 8th, as mentioned during the court hearing. Judge Everett said the jury selection will proceed by bringing in 50 prospective jurors on each morning and afternoon on August 19th, 20th, and possibly 21st. Opening statements could start a few hours after the jury is picked on any of those days. Judge Everett slotted the prosecution's case to start August 25th and last all week, possibly up to 6 days. The defense said their case would likely last 4 to 6 days. Earlier this year, Donna Adelson's attorneys filed a motion requesting a change of venue. In that motion, her lawyers claimed she could not receive a fair trial by a Leon County jury due to extensive pretrial publicity in the case. But Judge Everett ruled last month that it was too soon to determine whether a change of venue is justified for her trial, according to court documents. However, Donna Adelson can renew the motion following an attempt to actually select the jury for her trial, the court records revealed. Judge Everett upheld his ruling that the jury would hear evidence of Donna Adelson's attempted flight to Vietnam. The defense said there was no warrant for her arrest at the time and that she would have returned from Vietnam if needed. Prosecutors, though, said that was evidence of her attempt to flee the country. Judge Everett said the jury would weigh that evidence and determine what they believe. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, stick around. Go ahead and subscribe, lock in with me now because you don't want to miss this case. She's testifying in her own trial, and we all know that that is not a good idea, especially in an M trial. But you guys let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching.